Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a highlight on Instagram. So first, all you need to do right here is open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now here on your profile page, as you can see at the middle, you'll find right here the highlights. So as you can see, I have one highlight right here. So to edit your highlight, all you need to do is tap and hold that highlight and you will find edit highlight option. So just tap that one. Then you will go on this page as you can see here under the selected tab. All you need to do is just uncheck that highlighted one and then go to stories tab right here. And then here, as you can see, you need to choose another highlight if you want to change your current highlight. So just tap that one and then you can change the title right here. So for example, you want to change it to another title. So for this sample, just want to put sample, and then here on edit cover, you can change that cover with that highlight. So once you've done, you can now tap on done at the top right corner. And finally, you just tap that done at the top right. And as you can see, highlight updated. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.